Every home has a story, and within that story, storage plays a quiet yet powerful role. From the warm hum of a kitchen to the calm corners of a study, the way we organize and display our belongings tells others how we live, what we value, and how we create harmony in our space. But what if those same shelves and cabinets that keep life in order could also bring income and opportunity? Today, we explore how wooden storage creations, handcrafted shelves, custom cabinets, and functional furniture can do far more than decorate walls. They can become a steady source of profit, turning your craftsmanship into a business that adds value to every home and rewards your creativity with real income. In this narration, we'll look at how smart storage design and careful woodworking can blend form and function. You'll discover how small wooden builds, like corner shelves and floating units, can sell quickly and steadily online. We'll talk about materials, styles, and finishes that customers love. Most importantly, you'll learn how these practical and profitable pieces can open doors to financial growth while keeping your creative spark alive. Let's begin with the heart of it all, the craft itself, and how it can become a steady stream of income when shaped with vision and care. Wooden storage pieces have always been essential, but in today's world, they're also symbols of taste, sustainability, and craftsmanship. A handmade wooden shelf or cabinet doesn't just store, it speaks. Buyers are drawn to the warmth of natural textures, the strength of solid wood, and the promise of durability. For a woodworker, these preferences open up a remarkable opportunity to build items that not only enhance a home but also bring a strong return on investment. Start with shelves, one of the simplest yet most versatile products in woodworking. Floating shelves, corner shelves, ladder-style storage, and wall-mounted displays have become staples in modern decor. They are compact, easy to produce, and highly marketable. A clean, minimalist floating shelf in oak or pine can be made in a few hours, yet it can sell online for several times the material cost. With proper branding and presentation, a set of 3 shelves can easily turn into a signature product line. Customization makes these pieces stand out. Offering various finishes, from light natural stains to deep walnut tones, appeals to a wide audience. Including subtle design touches like beveled edges or invisible brackets adds perceived value. And when you photograph them well, styled with plants, books, or ceramics, you give buyers a vision of how they'll transform their space. The secret to selling storage isn't just in the product, it's in helping the customer see organization as beauty. Now let's move to cabinets, where craft meets complexity and higher earnings. Cabinets require more precision, but they also bring greater rewards. Whether you're building compact kitchen organizers, modern TV units, or rustic farmhouse pantries, wooden cabinets command premium prices. They represent both function and luxury, giving homeowners a way to express their taste while maintaining order. The beauty of cabinet making lies in its flexibility. You can craft simple, affordable models that appeal to small space dwellers or premium designs that fit luxury homes. Start small, build a few single-door units or modular pieces that can stack or connect. Each one can become a conversation starter, especially when you incorporate thoughtful details like soft close hinges, hidden storage compartments, or mixed materials such as metal handles and glass panels. From an income standpoint, think scalability. A small workshop can easily produce multiple shelves or cabinets per week. Selling them through online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace allows you to reach a global audience. Locally, farmers markets, craft fairs, and home decor exhibitions are excellent venues to showcase your craftsmanship. With consistent quality, your brand can grow fast, especially if you position your storage designs as both practical and artistic. The modern buyer is motivated by purpose. They want to purchase from creators who care about sustainability and individuality. Using reclaimed wood, eco-friendly finishes, and minimal waste techniques not only reduces your costs but also strengthens your appeal. Marketing your creations as eco-smart storage or crafted from reclaimed wood connects emotionally with your customers, and emotions drive sales. Another crucial factor is presentation. In today's digital marketplace, visuals are your voice. Every photo, video, and description needs to tell a story. Show your shelves being used, a child's toys neatly lined up, a kitchen corner transformed with handcrafted spice racks, or a study wall made elegant by dark walnut shelving. People buy what they can imagine in their homes. Add a brief video showing the smooth opening of a cabinet door or the texture of your wood grain in natural light, and you turn a simple item into a desirable product.
When pricing your shelves and cabinets, remember that craftsmanship deserves fair compensation. Calculate your material, labor, and overhead costs, then add profit that reflects your skill. Many artisans underprice their work, fearing competition, but buyers who appreciate handmade quality are willing to pay for it. Focus on value rather than price. Your work isn't just furniture, it's functional art. Marketing plays a huge role in success. A small investment in social media promotion can make a major difference. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are visual havens for home decor enthusiasts. Share your builds, show your process, and talk about your inspiration. A video showing a transformation from rough wood to polished cabinet can attract thousands of views and potential customers. Pair your visuals with hashtags like #WoodStorageDesign, #HandmadeCabinets, #FunctionalArt, or #CraftsThatSell, and you'll steadily grow an audience that not only admires your work but buys it. Over time, as your skills and recognition grow, you can expand your business model. Offer installation services, custom designs, or even online woodworking tutorials. Many craftsmen earn additional income by teaching their methods. Sharing your expertise builds credibility, and credibility leads to sales. The key is to diversify your income while staying true to your art. One of the most fulfilling aspects of woodworking is how it connects past and present. You're continuing a tradition that's centuries old, shaping natural materials with care and turning them into something lasting. Every shelf you hang and every cabinet you complete holds a piece of your story. And when you sell it, that story travels into someone's home, becoming part of their daily life. The financial reward is not just in the immediate sale, but in the reputation you build. Customers who trust your quality will return for more, maybe a matching set of cabinets or a new wall unit for another room. Wooden shelves and cabinets have always been quiet heroes in the home, but when crafted with care and vision, they become symbols of creativity that pays. Each design, each finish, and each detail you shape can bring not only satisfaction but also sustainable income. The secret is to approach your craft as both artist and entrepreneur, to see every project not just as wood and nails, but as a product of purpose, designed to enhance lives and reward effort. Your creativity can inspire, and your craftsmanship can build wealth one piece at a time. So whether you're building your first set of floating shelves or designing a full custom cabinet system, remember that every project carries potential. With skill, passion, and smart presentation, your woodwork can earn you respect, recognition, and reliable profit. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.